We're going to talk about the breadbasket of the country. This area is so fertile, it has loads and loads of fruits, trees, and hang on, what we're here for, Marulas.
We're here at the Marula Lapa in Phalaborwa, the home of Marula cream. And yeah, it's a really interesting attraction. We've learned about the making of Marula, how many jobs it supports, how Marula is involved in conservation of elephants. And it's definitely I think one of the #1 attractions when you're here in Phalaborwa. We're here at the amazing Kruger National Park. It's so good to be back here. It's my first time at this camp. It's the Olifants camp, and I think it's probably one of the most scenic camps in Kruger. It's fairly intimate, and you're high up on this ridge with a beautiful view of the Olifants River below. We spotted hippo and elephant down there. This morning we went for a morning game drive super early, had some great sightings, massive old elephants, hyena. And in the first 3 hours in the park, we actually saw 3 of the big 5. Kruger Park is always amazing. You keep coming back.